Welcome to Tech Vibe, your favorite stop for front-row previews into tomorrow's tech. Stick around as we peel back the veil on Xiaomi's 2025 smart glasses and find out if they're truly the game changer they're being called. Picture this: your eyewear can translate a foreign sign instantly, dictate your calories from that street-side snack, or let you live stream your world without fumbling for your phone. Tempting? Let's dive into everything that makes these smart glasses stand out. Right off the bat, Xiaomi launched its AI smart glasses, also known as Xiaomi AI glasses, during its Human x Car x Home event in Beijing in mid-2025. We're talking a super light frame, just 40 grams, that's sleek enough to pass for everyday glasses while packing immersive tech. Under the hood, they run on Qualcomm's efficient Snapdragon AR1 chip, bolstered by 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, enough room for photos, videos, and future app expansion. The front-mounted camera is a serious performer, a 12MP Sony IMX681 sensor shooting sharp 2K video at 30 frames per second, ideal for both high-resolution photos and true first-person live streams or calls. Imagine switching lens tint with a whisper. Thanks to electrochromic lenses, Xiaomi's glasses offer manual tint control. You slide your finger along the arm, and in a fraction of a second, about 0.2s, the lenses go from clear to shaded, or even change color in select models, giving you unmatched adaptability to light conditions. Now, sound is where these step up. They come with dual open-ear speakers plus 5 mics, including bone conduction tech for privacy and stellar voice clarity. Built-in wind noise reduction ensures you stay crisp, even on the move. Craving hands-free control? The built-in Xiao AI assistant is your virtual buddy, smart enough to translate text in real time, identify objects, estimate calories, scan QR codes, hello, mobile payments, and more, all with voice or gesture triggers. Pause here. Imagine stepping into a foreign cafe, taking off your shades, saying "translate this," pointing at the menu, and hearing your drink order in perfect English. That's next-level accessibility at its finest. Battery life is another strong suit. The built-in 263 mAh battery runs for around 8.6 hours per charge, doubling many competitors' endurance. When low, a USB-C port on the frame lets you recharge, no bulky case needed. Let's talk comfort and durability. At just 40G, the glasses are featherweight. Xiaomi enhanced the fit with optimized temple curves, adjustable nose pads, and even detachable hinges for frame swaps. They're also IP54 rated, resistant to dust and light splashes. Connectivity-wise, you get Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4 for fast, stable connections. That means quick pairing, steady data streams, and smooth syncing with your phone or other devices. Now, price and availability. In China, the base model starts at about 1,999 yen, 238 euros per USD 280, rising to 2,699 yen, 321 euros, for mono electrochromic lenses, and 2,999 yen, euro 357, for color-changing electrochromic versions. International availability is still pending, but demand suggests Xiaomi's building for a broader rollout. Let's weave in listener insights, as one Reddit user noted, comparing Xiaomi to Ray-Ban Meta. If you want a tech-forward pair with long use, video strength, and adaptive lenses, Xiaomi is a compelling value, $280. That nails it. Their battery lasts nearly twice as long, continuous recording is smoother, and adaptive tinting stays firmly ahead of Meta's offerings. Still, Xiaomi has competition. Ray-Ban Meta leans heavily on fashionable design and social media integration, while Xiaomi doubles down on utility, ecosystem integration, and endurance. Pros include standout battery life, dynamic lenses, solid camera, voice AI, lightweight comfort, and competitive price. Cons: only available in China for now, ecosystem might not be as polished as Meta's abroad, and you're limited to 32 GB storage. Pause again. Imagine going on a hike with these glasses tracking your steps, recognizing landmarks, streaming viewers your trail in 2K, all from your glasses alone, no phone in hand. That's wearables stepping up. For creative use, gamers, or content creators, the continuous 2K recording capability, audio clarity, and AI perks are gold. Gamers might enjoy recording their POV gameplay or streaming live events hands-free, while creators can capture candid footage discreetly with long battery life. On the flip side, they're not AR glasses with integrated HUDs or overlays, no floating maps or graphics, just camera-based capture and AI utility. If your creative needs lean toward that immersive AR, this may come later. Still, in this form, the Xiaomi AI glasses are the smartest inclusion of tech into eyewear this side of 2025. That's your full-run, faceless review of Xiaomi's 2025 smart glasses, deep spec breakdown, hands-on clarity, and real talk on why they matter. Tune in again soon for unboxings, hands-on comparisons, and more wearable tech deep dives. Until next time, I'm Tech Vibe. See smarter, live smarter.